Jai Hind all. In this video, you all are going to see a combo pack of activities, video activities of my class 6 students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Kusmunda. I have combined all the videos that they send me as assignment, and you can see the how beautifully they have tried to show the various activities of this science book chapters like magnet and fun with magnets, electricity and circuit, light, shadow and reflection, body movements. A little bit grammatical mistakes in conversation you will find, but don't go on that side, and please enjoy the uh, tiny tots activities, how beautifully they have created these videos, because science, the knowledge of science lies in the basic experimental methods and activities that are that must be performed in the classroom. But during this lockdown period and online studies, these students are trying their best, and I am trying my best to make these tiny tots not to lag behind of any experiments which we can make them or make them understand. Okay, so enjoy this video at a combo pack of several small activities that is given in your NCERT book, and in the form of activities of 3 or 4 chapters, and appreciate their work. Thank you.
जय हिंद to all. I am Arpit Pradhan of Kendriya Vidyalaya SCCL Kusmunda. I am presenting an activity in the guidance of Mrs. Priyanka Parashar ma'am. So today's activity is structure of hinge joint. Hinge joint is a joint which move back and forth. The example is elbow and knee. As following the activity 3, I have made the structure of hinge joint. And my structure also moves back and forth. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Pushpraj Kashyap. I study in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3 SCCL Kusmunda. This I am doing the activity of hinge joint under the guidance of Miss Priyanka Parashar ma'am. This is a model of hinge joint. Hinge joint is a joint which allows back and forth movement like a hinge. It is present in our knee and our elbow. Thank you.
Jai ma'am, my name is Aditya Mahan. I am reading in class 6A. This is a snail, subject science, and this is a big snail, and this is a not swim. Thank you, have a nice day.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, दिस इज अ स्नेक और मैम ये क्लाइंबिंग कर रहा है. इधर थ्री है मैम, 1 2 and 3. थैंक यू मैम वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.
Jai Hind ma'am, my name is Muskan Sahu from class 6A. My school name is KV Kusmunda number 3. Today I am going to present you a snail and how it's walk and how it's structure. Its walk is called crawling. It's crawl on the road and its structure like a shell. You can see the big shell here. Thank you ma'am.
जय हिंद मैम, माय नेम इज़ आरुषि एकम क्लास 6 थे. मैम आपने होमवर्क दिया था कि आपने हमें किसी भी इंसेक्ट्स के चलते हुए वीडियो बनाया था. मैम ये मेरी स्नेल और मैम ये चल रही है. थैंक यू.
Jai Hind, I am Shruti Sahu of class 6C, roll number 9. I am making a video of circular motion. This fan goes in a circular path, so it's a circular motion. Thank you. Jai Hind, my name is Shruti Sahu. I am of class 6C, roll number 9. I am making a video of shadow. The opaque object is the mobile. The screen is the whiteboard and the sun is our light source. The opaque object, when I come in front, the opaque object when come in the front so that the shadow comes, and then when I do in a transparent, so there is no shadow. You see, there is transparent bottle, and then see, no shadow. So in the transparent object there is no shadow, and when it a opaque object there is shadow. In a translucent object there is no shadow because translucent is also pass light. Thank you. Jai Hind. My name is Shruti Dutt Sahu of class 6C, roll number 9. I am making a video of light goes straight. I take a pipe and a diya. Now first we take pipe in a straight way, then we take a pipe in a curve. So first I take diya, then the pipe, the diya is seen in the pipe when it's straight, and then now I curve and then the diya is not seen. I also see like this. Diya is not seen, and then once more time straight. In the straight way diya seen, and in the straight way diya seen, and in the curve way diya not seen. Thank you. It's my video. Jai Hind. I am Shruti Sahu of class 6C, roll number 9. I am making a video of reflection. I have a mirror, a torch, then when the torch gave the light to reflect the mirror, and then there is the reflection. This is a reflection, the torch reflection. When I move the mirror, so the light is go in other side. Thank you.
My name is Pushpraj Kashyap. I study in KV number 6, SSCL Kusmunda. I am doing this activity under the guidance of Miss Priyanka Parashar ma'am. This activity is of an electrical circuit. This is an electrical cell. These are wires. This is a motor and this is a switch. When the switch is on, the fan will rotate. When the switch is off, the fan will not rotate. Thank you.
Jai Hind. My name is Shreya Priya from class 6A. My school name is Kendriya Vidyalaya Kusmunda. I am doing activity in which I have to take a torch and I am making it. This torch is not burning. We have to see what its problem. First I am opening it. This is the button. I have opened it but it is not burning, and I have closed it. Now I am open this torch. It has 3 batteries in this torch. This is the positive terminal and this is negative terminal. I have to put this battery with negative terminal. Let's see it burns or not. See, this torch is burning now. I am offing this torch with this switch. It is closed and now it is open. Thank you.
Jai Hind ma'am, my name is Ankita Rai. I am from class 6C. I have made this torch. This is our plastic box. This is our shell. This is our negative sign and this is our positive sign. This is our 2 wire which attach with the cell,
and this is our LED bulb. These two wires have connected with this bulb. This is our switch. When we open this switch and join this wire, it will keep growing. Like thank you.
Jai Hind ma'am, my name is Balkumar Patel and I am class 6C. This is a model of a electric cell and light. This is a light and this is a button like this. Button will be on, the light is blue. The button is off, light is not blue like this. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sukhbir Singh and I read in class 6A and I will tell you activity of chapter 12 electricity and circuits. Now start. This is our battery and these are wires and this is a LED bulb and I touch the wire, the light is on, and I cannot touch the wire, the light is off. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Antrix. This is an electric circuit. This is a battery. These are wires. It's a bulb and it's a switch. When the circuit is complete, then the bulb has glow. When the circuit is not complete, then the bulb has no glow. It works for a principle of the electric circuit.
Good afternoon. This is a magnet and this is also a magnet. You see this magnet? I turn the second magnet and this magnet is also turned. You see this? This is a very beautiful magic. No, this is not a magic. No, this is not a magic. I turn this magnet and this magnet is magnetic power and this type of. Hello, my name is Sukhbir Singh and I will tell you a magic today. First of all, we take this type of coin and take there and I will move the coin there to there. Now see. This is not a magic. Inside I take this type of magnet and stick this. Thank you.
This project is done by Sukhbir and Pushprat. We study in Kevin University, SCCL Kusmunda, class 6A. Windmills are good example of wheel and axle machine. This wheel is able to rotate freely on axis, harnessing the wind's energy to move it by having sail or shapes that can catch the wind. Thank you.